Do you know butterflies can taste with their feet? When they land on a leaf, tiny sensors instantly tell them if it's good for their babies, nature's own taste test. But here's the twist. Butterflies can't fly when it's cold. They need sunlight to warm their wings, like charging solar batteries. And those vibrant colors, they're not paint. Their wings are transparent. Microscopic scales bend light to create that rainbow shimmer. But the most mind-blowing part, even after metamorphosis, butterflies remember lessons learned as caterpillars. Beauty, intelligence, and mystery, all in one fragile creature. Subscribe, comment, and smash that like button if you're amazed.